Hi everyone, Lucia here. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's go today through this jewelry bag I got from an estate sale, and I paid $50 for it. So let's see if we have any treasures in here. What's inside? Okay. Let me show you this cute little carved elephant, and I think this is bone. That's cute. And of course I love the ceramic bead necklace here, the chinoiserie, blue and white. It's beautiful. Okay, right? It is very beautiful. I like that. And next one is another one with crystals. Let me turn on my gem tester and see if it's quartz or it's just glass. It is very sparkly though. And we have like this brass spacers in between. So let's see. I believe this is just glass. Yes, it's glass. It's not quartz. Am I missing two? Yes, I do. On this one, on this bracelet, I'm missing two cabochon for pearls on here, and a rhinestone. This is a bracelet. Okay. So I'll set that one aside. I believe this is a 1928. Very nice made necklace. Okay. And then we have the Swarovski blue bezel set, gold tone. That's a little tag. Yes, it's a Swarovski one. And they sparkly. I love to play with them. I have a coral and crystal bracelet. I think these are findings. They might be silver, I'm not sure. I love the colors. And then the beads. Yes, of course, the beads. Okay. What else do we have here? I think this is handmade with a bologna shell. Oh, we have the moon face here, crescent moon face. Let me show you. And this one too here, these two. Okay, and then a little box charm. Do I dare to open this one? Not really. Let's see. Let me grab my scissors. Right. I cannot open this one though. Yeah. Oh, I did it. And there's nothing inside. Okay. I did it. Okay. This one is a magnetic. I don't see anything on the closure. No markings or anything. That's a very nice one. Kind of a David Yurman vibes. Bracelet. And a chain necklace. Okay, I see something on the tag. 1 second. This one is marked 925. I don't think it's marked. It's 925 though. Yeah. don't think so, but I will test it and I will let you know. And these are two jade rope adjustable, like a bolo also. Right, they're butterflies. Okay, this is a Monet chain, gold tone, a Figaro one, a very heavy one and well made. Of course, this one has a locket, checking for anything on the bail. Let's open this one too. Let me open two faces. They're like, on one side is the cross and some aurora borealis, and then on the other side, I would like this on a chain though. I don't like the beads, they're not quite here. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, alrighty. Next is a 3-strand brown and black beads here, like bubbles. Okay, then I like this. Okay, you get the idea, you guys, right? A vintage one. Okay, I'm gonna lift that one. Now this is glass. Is it magnifying glass? Let me check. No, it's just a thick piece of glass here on a silver tone chain, a long one. Okay, okay. We have some pearls, of course. Also 3 strands here with a toggle clasp, gold tone, little crystals, and also green dangled pearls. I think somebody added the pearls. I think, or no, my bad. It's pretty though. I do like the colors and everything. Those are freshwater pearls. We have another bracelet here with pink, green and purple crystals. Nothing is missing on that one. This is just one. Okay, it's one. Okay. Oh, some hair, really. Okay. These are black beads. They're heavy, so let's see. Yeah, they are onyx, they're not glass. Okay. These are lucite. Okay, right. Trifari. Trifari. Lucite. It's made to look like amber. They're very lightweight clip-ons. Very good shape. A pair of button earrings. Probably she was wearing with this or with this, I think, yeah. They all came from the same person. Now, let me check the clasp on this one. It looks like silver, it's a bit tarnished. I don't see anything. It's probably an anklet with hearts. Okay, this was probably an earring at one point. And this one too, it was an earring. So, and that's it. And I don't have the other one. I do love this one a lot. Yeah, that's my favorite. And this one with pearls. Okay. The one with glass. And the Swarovski, and then also the cute little elephant and the earrings, the trifar earrings. This is interesting too, right? I think it's very unique. It's a conversation piece for sure. And then the red bracelet. And that's it for today. Oh, this one is nice too. I thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. You take care. Bye bye.